Hello, road warriors! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, your premier pre-owned RV dealer. We're beyond excited to present a pristine 2021 Forest River Georgetown GT5 31L, a low-mileage gem with just 13,000 miles priced at an unbeatable $99,900. This 35-foot Class A motorhome, built on a robust Ford F53 chassis with the new 7.3-liter V8 gas engine, features the versatile 31L floor plan with two massive slide-outs, sleeping up to 6 in incredible comfort thanks to a drop-down bunk bed. Wrapped in Forest River's eye-catching Cobalt full-body paint package with vibrant blue, white, and black hues, this RV is a showstopper. Powered by a reliable Ford V8 gas engine with only 13,000 miles. Buckle up for a detailed walk-around to explore every family-friendly feature of this amazing deal. Let's begin outside, where the 2021 Georgetown GT5 31L radiates curb appeal. The Cobalt full-body paint package, with its bold, high-gloss finish, makes this RV a standout at any campground. Stretching 35 feet, this coach is built on a heavy-duty Ford F53 chassis, delivering a smooth, stable ride for all your travels. Powered by a Ford 7.3-liter V8 gas engine, it churns out 350 horsepower and 468 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a Ford Torqshift 6-speed automatic transmission for responsive, confident performance. With low mileage and a solid foundation, this RV is ready to hit the road for years of adventures. The construction features durable fiberglass sidewalls and a seamless roof, ensuring reliability and comfort in any weather. The exterior is packed with features to make every trip effortless and enjoyable. Side-swing basement storage compartments, including a mega rear cargo storage area, provide ample room for camping gear, outdoor toys, or travel essentials. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, marine-grade speakers, and stereo creates the perfect setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. A power patio awning and slide toppers offer shade and protection, transforming any campsite into a cozy outdoor living space. 4.1-touch hydraulic automatic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while the rear and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor makes navigating tight spaces a breeze. A 50-amp service, inverter charger, and battery disconnects keep your power needs covered, whether you're at a campground or off-grid. Powering your journeys is seamless with this RV's dependable systems. The Onan 5.5 kilowatt generator delivers reliable power for boondocking or remote adventures, perfect for exploring off the beaten path. Dual roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps keep you cool in the summer and cozy in cooler weather, complemented by a gas-electric heating system for year-round comfort. The electrical setup, with a 50-amp service and inverter charger, ensures efficient energy management, so you can focus on enjoying your trip. The thoughtful design of these systems makes this RV a perfect blend of power and practicality for family getaways. Step inside and the 31L floor plan welcomes you with a spacious, family-oriented layout. Two large slide-outs create an open, airy interior, sleeping up to 6, making it ideal for families or groups of friends. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom, a power drop-down overhead bunk above the front seats, and a booth dinette that transforms into additional sleeping space. The front living area is a cozy retreat with 4-seat theater recliners facing a 42-inch TV and an electric fireplace with heat, perfect for cozy evenings or family game nights. The overhead bunk, which stows away above the front seats when not in use, adds flexible sleeping options without sacrificing living space. Premium vinyl flooring and sleek cabinetry create a modern residential feel that's both stylish and durable. The front kitchen is a culinary delight, designed for convenience and style. You've got a gas, say electric 4-door refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop and oven, a microwave, and a residential sink and faucet, making meal prep a breeze for everything from quick snacks to full dinners. The booth dinette, with storage underneath, offers a comfortable spot for meals or work and easily converts into extra sleeping space for guests. The middle bathroom is a standout, featuring an enormous shower enclosure with glass doors, a skylight, a toilet, a sink, a vanity, and a power vent fan, delivering a spa-like experience on the road. A washer-dryer combo and a vented closet adds ultimate convenience for extended trips or full-time RV living. The rear master bedroom is a luxurious haven, perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. The king-size bed offers plush comfort, paired with a 32-inch TV for late-night viewing, a wardrobe closet, and ample drawer storage for all your essentials. Coordinated window treatments and a modern design create a warm, inviting atmosphere, while the slide-out ensures plenty of space to move around. Envision setting off in this 2021 Georgetown GT5 31L, exploring mountain trails, lakeside campsites, or coastal retreats with your loved ones. Picture gathering around the dinette for a family meal, relaxing by the electric fireplace, or retreating to the king-size bed after a day of fun. This RV blends the comforts of home with the thrill of travel, and the vibrant Cobalt exterior ensures you make a statement wherever you go. With its low mileage and family-focused design, every journey will be filled with joy and memories. Before we close, let's highlight why this Georgetown is a top choice. Forest River's attention to detail shines through in the modern interior, durable construction, and practical features like the power drop-down bunk and washer-dryer combo. The 7-foot interior height and solar privacy shades create a bright, spacious feel, while safety features like the rear and side view cameras provide peace of mind. The cockpit, with its ergonomic design and in-dash monitor, makes driving as enjoyable as relaxing. This RV is built for both adventure and comfort, ready to take your family on unforgettable trips. Ready to make this coach your own? Priced at just $99,900, this 2021 Forest River Georgetown GT5 31L is a rare opportunity to own a low-mileage, family-friendly motorhome at an exceptional price. Call us at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more, or schedule a test drive. The team at Porter's RV Sales is here to help you hit the road in style. Thanks for joining us for this in-depth walk-around of the 2021 Forest River Georgetown GT5 31L. Check out more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porter's RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its low mileage, premium features, and unbeatable price, this coach is a must-have for your next adventure. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2021 Georgetown GT5 31L. This is Porter's RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you on the road.